Hey, what's up everyone? Another great Tuesday morning to be working. But today and the next couple of days I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Actually something completely different than anything I've done. And that is going to be getting this old truck ready to go cross country to pick up a car. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a bit of a roadkill type trip. I just bought this truck a few months ago and haven't done a whole lot to it. Cleaned it up a little bit, but I needed a truck kind of quick to go pick up this car, which I'm not going to tell you what is yet, but I will give you a few hints. You'll probably see it in the title if you're watching this video. So definitely keep watching for the updates, but today I'm going to go over some of the stuff I'm going to be doing to this truck to get it ready to go on the road. I'm going to do my best to make sure it is as roadworthy as possible. So let's go and see what we're going to be doing to it today. Okay, so just some of the specs of this truck. It's a 1990 Dodge D250 and it's powered by the legendary 5.9 Cummins. So it's quite a bit more reliable and has a lot more power for towing than what you would think looking at it if you aren't familiar with it. They are fairly reliable, and I have been doing quite a few upgrades to it under the hood to make it reliable, and we got a few more things coming today that we're going to be doing to give us the best chance of making the trip possible. So some of the things I've done already is I've upgraded the cooling system, new radiator, replaced the hoses and that kind of stuff. Then today we're going to be doing new shocks in the rear. We still need to clean out the cab. I haven't cleaned it since I bought the truck, so it's kind of filthy at this point. Possibly changing the oil in the rear end. I've also already changed the engine oil and the transmission oil, got fresh fluids and all of that. And let's see. Yeah, so just a few little things like that. Rear shocks, also put new wiper blades on it. And hopefully it should be ready to go. Also, I'm going to be reinforcing the hitch a little bit. The bumper is not quite as secure as I would like. So we're going to try to get all that stuff done, and then we're going to hit the road tonight. Be kind of cool to see if anyone spots us on the road. If you do, snap a picture and drop it on or message me on my Instagram. That'll be down in the description. So, and especially after I got the car, it's probably going to be a rig that you'll never see on the road again. The only hint I'm going to give on the car is that it is a V10. I wanted to try something a little different, and particularly I wanted something with a bigger naturally aspirated engine. It seems that their time has kind of passed, so there probably won't be many opportunities to own a bigger naturally aspirated engine. So I found a car. The only details I'm going to give right now is that it is a V10. So post your guesses in the comments, see if any of you can guess what I'm going to be picking up. And definitely be on the lookout for me on the road. I'm going to be going across a couple states. It's a couple hundred miles one way. I'm not going to tell you which direction I'm going, but so be on the lookout. Share the video. It's be interesting to see how many sightings we can get here, because it is going to be definitely going to be a little bit of a different trip than anything I've ever done. Not quite sure how it's going to turn out. So my Instagram will be in the description. It's a Savage Performance. Again, thank you all for watching the videos. Really do appreciate that. Makes it a lot more fun to make another video. Also, if you have ideas for new videos, things you'd like to see, things you'd like me to do, drop them down below too, or shoot me a message on my Instagram. I'd love to have some of those ideas. So again, please like and subscribe, share the video, see how far we can get this thing to go.